Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change message theme in Boo. If you're tired of default chat look and want to personalize your conversation style with new colors or backgrounds, this guide will help you do it in few seconds. First of all, launch open the Boo application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the Messages button at the bottom right corner and select Open a Message. If you haven't received any messages, then you can go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Messages Themes under Appearance and Display. Now go ahead and choose a color or a theme and preview how it looks. Once you've found the theme, you can now go back to your message and start a conversation. That's how you will be able to change your message theme in Boo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.